It's been a while. Do you like the place I chose? It's similar to the last time, but it's bigger, quieter, and abandoned. Perfect. Another rap battle. No, 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 little boyfriend. Things will change. Third time's the charm. I got you all alone now. No more games. It's time to finish what I've started. And no one will hear you scream.
Hey! I'm glad you like my property!
Huh?
You've got guts, kid!
Okay. Since the deal was to let them go if the kid won, I guess I can go back to...
But you have to win 2 more rounds before I let you go with a little demon girl.
No, come on.
Alright, we've secured the target without it noticing us, and it seems like it's, I know this is gonna sound weird, but it's in a rap battle with a blue-haired midget. And ex-rap star Daddy Dearce's daughter is there too. We also found this humanoid creature with a lemon as its head. It looks a bit damaged. I don't think it will be a problem for us. Understood. Well guys, Go and get everything prepared. We'll get to work soon. We're gonna lose at least half the team. But it will all be worth it when this Felix the Cat knockoff is destroyed.
The mission will fail. Reality will begin to tear apart, and the whole world will go to hell.
Michael, not now.
And it's all because of 2 idiots who challenged the cartoon cat into a rap battle.
Hey, calm down.
Can't you see, Daniel? We've lost almost everything we knew about this monster ever since it killed Trevor and the entire Henderson family. And you still think we have a chance against it?
That dream about that horse on the stairs is still affecting you, huh? Don't think about it too much. It's only a dream. Listen, when all of this is over, you'll return with your family and take a good rest. I'm a little worried about you.
Looks like we've got an audience.
Damn it. Cat's noticed us. Get ready.
this how it will end? It's just a bunch of cursed illustrations, they say. They can't hurt anyone. They aren't real. Now they're here. If only Mr. Trevor was still here, we could have prevented this cat and mouse game from getting this far. Reality is tearing apart. His most powerful creation is going to kill us all and we can't do anything about it. And who's this blue-haired rapper and his girlfriend they speak of? How is he mentally wrong to challenge something like the cartoon cat? Do they even know what they're dealing with? If he didn't challenge it into the stupid rap battle, all of this wouldn't have happened. Who? What? Who's there? How do you know all this stuff about me? You're scaring me. Wait. Oh no. No.
That's all, folks. I guess. Don't you ever come back here again.
Oh. Well, now what? Wait, what happened to my speakers? Oh, BF. There's no one here and we're in complete darkness. Can you turn off that voice changer on your mic and talk normally, please? You're kind of obsessed with that high-pitched voice, dude.
Fair. But what I wanted to say is, I think I saw them fall from the 3rd floor.
What?
Yeah, like a few minutes before that Halloween furry started his last song.
Those weren't even mine. They were my dad's. The sky is no longer red. Huh? Hey, babe, look! How about we try to rap with that guy over there?
Remember to take a deep breath when the bridge starts to break, boyfriend.
What?
You will understand later. I will be there, watching everything.
Okay, I think I've lost him. For now. Look at how far your creations have come, Trevor. I know you're not the one to blame here, but this has gotten way out of hand. And I swear to God, if I find that fucking rapper, I am going to— Hello? I think we got a little lost, so I'm glad to see someone else here. You motherfucker! I wouldn't do that if I were you, kid.
Habría traído un machete.
Be grateful I wouldn't beat up a kid. Otherwise, I would have done something worse to you. Now, what was that for?
Don't act like you don't know anything, slut.
The cartoon cat may not be trying to destroy the fucking world anymore, but the crippets that arrived during the severe reality warp won't be leaving anytime soon.
Wait, what did you call me?
Daughter, are you here? Let's talk about this at home. I found you.
Huh? Did you run away from home or something? Well, since he's here... Hey! Over here!
What the fuck are you doing?
I just want to talk to your daddy.
That's not my dad! That's the son of a bitch that's been chasing me all day!
I need to talk to you about your daddy right now! You still there?
Please stop. If we keep screaming, the three of us are dead.
Okay, I'll stop. But...
Thank you!
But! For trying to kill my boyfriend and calling me a slut, there will be a condition.
I'm screwed.
I'll be watching from here. Good luck.
Intruder detected. Initiating protocol. This station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is all goes.
Hey kiddo, everything alright?
Tírate de un puente, escape mierda conchada estúpida.
I have no idea what you just said. Is that a yes or a no? I'm sorry. I'm a dumbass, okay? Look, I didn't think a rap would cause a fucking apocalypse. That sounds stupid.
It's okay. I'm glad you're sorry at least. I was also being a bit harsh and got carried away. Without Mr. Trevor and the cartoon cat out of its prison, it was too late years ago anyway.
What does that Mr. Trevor guy have to do with this?
Oh boy. I don't want to tell you something as complicated as the FNAF lore, so I'll try to summarize it. I have never been told what relations he had with me. Back to the main point. Trevor's mental health began to deteriorate. With this in mind, the cat took its opportunity and escaped. As Trevor was getting worse, the cat took a hold of the situation and began to hunt our loved ones. Trevor couldn't take it anymore, so he let his creation end his suffering. He was its creator, as the case with the other monsters we've seen today. Only he would know how to stop the cat from its mischief. That's your boyfriend, right? Boyfriend! That bitch won't hold Siren Head's away! Hey! Hey, loser! Just found out your girlfriend is literally a demon, yet you need a 14-year-old human to save your ass. This implies that I'm super cool.
You were the one who offered to help!
Okay, all jokes aside, you survived the impact, but you also almost drowned. She passed out thinking you were dead, so I had to take care of the job.
It's bullshit! She's lying! Don't believe her! So what happens next now that these monsters roam the world, Cryptid Kid?
I'm afraid to know. Also, don't call me that. My name is Luna. But for now, as long as the cartoon cat remains dormant, there is a possibility that we will eventually learn to live with them. Just like the people in Trevor's stories did.
Alto ahí. No voy a poner esa escena porque está más 18 y posiblemente que YouTube me quite el video. Por eso no voy a poner esta escena. Solamente lo voy a quitar y ya. Y aparte ya queda 1 minuto de video o no sé cuánto queda. Pues bueno, pues aquí terminó el mod. Espero que les gusten mucho porque nos estuvimos forzando bastante. Cada día, cada noche, cada mañana, cada tarde. Como se diga tu barrio. Eso sí, ¿por qué tardó mucho? Pues hubo problemas que no quiero mencionar. Hasta el punto que llegaron un trato para que nos dejen en paz. Eso sí, el mod no está terminado, nos falta las son extras. Eso lo haremos en la siguiente actualización. Ahorita vamos a tomarnos un descanso. Por mi parte, eso sería todo. Muchas gracias al equipo que me estuvo ayudando con el mod. Muchas gracias, en serio, muchas gracias. Bueno, yo aquí me despido. Adiós.